What do you think happens if we find a bone? Stop the mahi, yeah. So a radius of 20 metres, so 20 metres around that site, if something was found, no machinery, it stops. It would get handed over to our hāhi ringatu for them to come in and do a karakia whakatau. And then we would get archaeologists in to confirm what type of bone it is. So we're waiting on the biodiversity data to come back from the regional council. And that's been a process to get that information. It was when we settled as a iwi, some of the whenua that we didn't know that belonged to the government was given back, and part of our maunga was that. So checking the biodiversity, cutting access off to foot traffic, because that is a risk, like, of slipping off the track, because there's quite significant slips all around to Morrison's Bay. Because, like you said, there are plenty of wāhi tapu up there, past sites. We all know that past sites had urupa adjacent to them.